installing some sweet mods.
Today I'm going to be semi-permanently installing this cooler in the bed. Right now my problem is I ratchet strap it shut and ratchet strap it to the bed, and every time I want something to drink, it takes too long to get in there. And then strap it back up and take it back off. But we also use this cooler outside of just one four-wheel. Sometimes we throw it in the back of the car or whatever. I was originally thinking L brackets, but I don't want to do that, so I just went to Home Depot or Lowe's and looked around and came up with this for a semi-permanent solution that will stand up to, jarring it around pretty hard. I'm gonna stick these in the bed, and then I'm gonna stick these longer ones through here, probably like right here maybe, and then I'm going to take this and tighten her down. There's the longest one, there's the shortest one. Now that's how long they'll go, that's how short they'll go. A little extra hardware. I think it's going to work out fine. I bought a door latch, like a cabinet latch or something like that, with the top piece and the bottom piece and like the little latch to flip it down and it would hold tight. But because of this curvature, it doesn't work out good. So I'm just going to go with a bungee for this next trip, and then after that I will come up with something better. But for right now, we're just going to mount it to the bed, and I'll get right back with you. Alright, so I got my holes marked. We're going to put these eye bolts, and I've got my spot marked in the bed. I want to put them on a little bit of an angle, that way it'll hold it really tight. You shouldn't let it move too much. Turd. I hope y'all heard that. Everybody thinks they got a race car around here. Am I supposed to be entertaining in this time right now? Safety third. See if I'm ambidextrous with my Ew. Looks like a little Frankenstein now. That part fits. That's good. That's good. Good use. I'm gonna go use this wood bit, but let's go on plastic and see how it does on metal. BRB. All right, now. If I was watching this video, I would not want to miss some goober. Cutting through metal with a wood bit. I don't know why I wouldn't want to see that, but I just would, so I turned her back on. Watch these 2,500-pound springs. 25, whatever. Each of these springs flex. Oh, she's stiff. She's far. Oh, butter. Right on. Check gas tank now. Aim it back for the 5th time. Good God. Oh, don't snap off there. She's just hot glue gunned on, you know. All right. Well, I thought it'd be more exciting than I thought I was gonna. Not work as well as it did. Go cranking now. Ball her up. Shoo-wee. Put that fan back on. People want to know what humidity is and what does it mean when it's a overcast 65, 70 degree day. It makes your face and your skin do this. I'm freaking glowing, dripping. So that's what humidity is, and it makes it feel like you can almost chew the air. It's so thick. Look. Get on it, boy. There you go, sit in the AC. You know what I'm saying? Midwest style. Don't hate. Got good CT up in this knife. Cool. Slow him down. I'm good. Can I get lucky and it worked from here? Let me hold her down there. Tell me if you would. Oh, I think it's good. She's clamping down. Pretty tight. Yeah, I don't think I have to go back in there. It's tight. See what we got. Hey, this is gonna work good. Oh, she ain't tapping over for nothing. Would be happy with less of that. But that's better. Yeah. It's torquing on this thing. It's not going too much better. Oh yeah. Very happy. Great success, yes. Sure we go. Good deal. Very nice. One more thing. My fender was coming back to about right. This fender line came down to about right here. And whenever this tire articulates up, it's really close. And whenever it's turned, it's even closer. So after about a half-hour massaging last night with this axe and some self-tapping screws and some zip ties, I got this thing scooted back and looking nice. You can tell right here, where it was rubbing. It looks, I don't know if you can see that or not. You can tell big time where it was rubbing. So I beat the crap out of this right here and cut some of that metal behind it, some of them seams, folded them over and hammered her in. And now from the side, we ain't touching no more. We ain't gonna touch either. I'm pretty pumped. And I trimmed more off this side that flap down there, that diagonal line I cut off, was hanging way down, and whenever I reverse with the tire turned towards the passenger side, it would catch it and make a racket. So shouldn't have that no more. I'm excited. Put in this fire extinguisher the other day. Getting ready to head to this place. Super pumped. And my cooler mounts look good. Shoot ya, it's real easy to put on, take on and off. And it's far enough away to where it ain't gonna rattle. And strong enough to hold her still. That's what I wanted. It's far enough away, it ain't gonna touch nothing, and yeah, I'm very, very excited. Bungee cord this time, and then next time I'm gonna get me a latch. I had a latch, but the angles and stuff didn't work out right. Shoo-wee. Hot, muggy, nasty Indiana day. I'm gonna go over a rip session that thing here shortly. Get her shined up. Go out there and let it eat. And that's the good turbo one. Y'all be good.